What's going on, Oasis Nation? We are back here again at Castro Oasis Hand Car Wash and Auto Salon, located on 80 Prindle Road in West Haven, right back at the turntable. And if you've been here before, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. But here, nonetheless, what do we have here today? We have a 2014 Mercedes Benz E350. Another beautiful vehicle made it over here to Castro Oasis Auto Salon, this time for a full interior and exterior detail. As you can see, the exterior is mint, absolutely beautiful. The Castro Oasis team did an amazing job on the exterior here, did a full one-step paint correction, really just to bring that surface back to a near factory finish. The customer is still thinking about ceramic coatings as well as paint protection films to now apply on top, now that that's top surface of paint is back to a near uniform finish, like I said. So the next step to protect it would be ceramic coating or paint protection film. But nonetheless, I did mention that it did receive an interior detail as well. So without further ado, let's check it out. Another amazing job performed by the Castro Oasis Auto team here. It's really an amazing job, inside and out. Beautiful vehicle. But hey, until next time, I'll see you guys later, Oasis Nation.